In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Traders Reality main in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have any chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, stocks, forex or crypto, as long as you can see a price chart on your screen. This will be the chart where we add the Traders Reality main indicator. At the top of your chart, look for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar and is often labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the Indicators window, which is where you can search for and manage all the tools you add to your charts. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This search bar is powerful because it lets you quickly find any public or favorite indicator without scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search box, type Traders Reality Main. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct script, matching the exact name Traders Reality Main. When you see it appear in the results list, simply click on it once. As soon as you click it, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart. You should see new visuals appear, such as bands, lines, or other elements, depending on how this specific indicator is designed. If you don't see anything at first, zoom out a bit or check that you're on a time frame where the indicator is most commonly used, like the 15-minute or 1-hour chart. If you're not yet using TradingView Pro or you want to upgrade, you can use the affiliate link provided in the description of this video. That link will take you directly to TradingView's sign up or upgrade page. Using an affiliate link often gives you a small discount or special offer, and it also supports the creator of this tutorial at no extra cost to you. Once the indicator is on your chart, you can fine-tune it by clicking the settings icon next to its name in the chart legend. From there, you can adjust colors, visibility, or any available inputs so it matches your trading style and is easy for you to read. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box to look for Traders Reality Main, add it to your chart, and if needed, use the affiliate link in the description to get or upgrade to TradingView Pro.